We chose Mayfair Worktops primarily because we wanted a really professional company to do the installation. We didn't want anything to be left by chance. I did plenty of internet research, as everyone does these days. There were some really good reviews online, some really good testimonials. A friend had used them previously and we got great feedback, and I wasn't disappointed. Because obviously when you're doing research, you're looking for independent reviews to get a good holistic view. So the fact that they were a trusted trader and had feedback all over the internet was part of my decision process. When choosing a product like this, and you know it's a significant cost, you're looking for a company that's quite well established, and having a long-term warranty obviously plays a part in that for any issues but down the line. When we started to look at potential colours and patterns, there was a really good choice. Sometimes too much choice, because we wanted to narrow it down to a particular look, but that obviously helped because we were sent various samples of the actual finished product to choose from that we could put with our colour scheme, etc. We wanted a clean, simple look with nothing too heavy pattern in it, so we went with the Eternal Calacatta, which we'd seen in the flesh and we liked. Both templating and installation, the templater was really diligent, and you could see that he was wanting everything to be perfect, you know, literally millimetre perfect when he was templating. And then when the installation came, everything went in seamlessly within a matter of, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours from start to finish, which I was really impressed by. And yeah, the team were great, looked after the house, no issues at all. Yeah, based on my experience, then I, without hesitation, would recommend Mayfair Worktops.